Hello, teacher friends, and welcome back. Let me guess, either A, you are a new iTalki teacher and you're wondering what is the deal with filing your taxes if you're an iTalki teacher or tutor, or B, you have been an iTalki teacher or tutor for a while and now tax season is approaching and you're trying to get your stuff in order and trying to figure out how to file your taxes. Well, either way, don't worry, I got your back. I'm going to give you a few tips on how to file your taxes if you're an iTalki teacher or tutor, so stick around. There are a few important things that you need to know if you want to file your taxes on iTalki. Let me walk you through them. And before getting started, please note, as you know, I'm an iTalki teacher. I am not an accountant, so I'm not offering financial advice. This is all just based off my own experience. It's worked, it's been very useful to me, and this is how I've filed my taxes. First of all, as it explains right here, how I report my taxes for the income that I make on iTalki. iTalki explains right here that it is not an employer or independent contractor of teachers. We are self-employed on iTalki, and for this reason, it is your own responsibility to report this as self-employed income. From this information, it basically looks like we're on our own as teachers. So how exactly do we proceed? Well, there's one more important thing to note. iTalki also mentions that you should check with your home country's laws regarding this and report accordingly. So this may seem like common knowledge to the majority of people, but just in case, if this is your first time filing taxes, it's important to know that you will need to find out the income slip for filing taxes in your respective country. In Canada, if you want to report your earnings, you will be using the T4 slip. For me, I simply referred to canada.ca and I looked at the different types of the different lines that I would have to report my income on. So it could depend whether it's a foreign employment if you're living abroad or self-employment income. Yeah. So make sure that you check this out in your respective country to make sure that you're doing everything right. How exactly do you get the information to prove how much income you have made? Well, basically all you have to do is go to your withdrawal history on iTalki. Let's go. Imagine I'm heading over to my withdrawal history right here. As a teacher, I could go over to my wallet. There we go. Perfect. And if you want, you could just click on your withdrawal history right there. Now, please make sure that you keep all of your records of all the classes that you teach. For me, I took screenshots not only of my iTalki withdrawal history, but also of my PayPal deposits from my iTalki, and also from PayPal to my bank account. Now, halfway through the year, I actually changed from PayPal to Payoneer because I found that it was more worth it. So for that reason, I kept the Payoneer withdrawal history as well, or deposit history as well, right? So make sure you're keeping all of your records 100% because this could be useful when you're filing your taxes. And just as a side note, for me, this is not a sponsorship, but I'm actually with H&R Block. I use H&R Block every year. So if you don't have an accountant and you're wondering how to do your taxes, that's one website I suppose I would suggest. It's been free for me. I've had no problems. I've filed my taxes with them for 4 years and it's been absolutely fantastic so far. So I'm speaking from my own experience in this video right here. This is how I have filed my taxes with H&R Block in Canada. It might be different for you depending on which country you come from, but I hope that some of the information in this video has helped you out. So that's it, that's a wrap. I hope that has helped you out. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, put a like on this video, it really helps the channel. If you have any suggestions for future videos, please let me know. Is there anything I've left out? Throw it in the comment box below, absolutely. And until next time, as always, keep smiling.